In this video, I'm going to show you how to record on Cakewalk Next. Now, the first thing you have to do is, of course, open an existing project or a new one. It doesn't really matter. And then you want to go to the top left here, click on Edit, and you want to go to Preferences, and you want to click on Audio. Now, in here, it's going to be very important that you actually select the correct audio driver and, of course, the input and the output devices. So in my case here, I can click, and of course, you can see I have different ones. I'm just going to actually use this Windows Audio low latency mode, but of course you can use any other ones if you want. From here, you then want to go to audio input device and you want to select your microphone. So in my case, I'm using this Yeti stereo microphone. And then when it comes to your output, these are your speakers. You want to just click on, of course, whichever speakers you want to use. And that's the first part done. Then all you have to do to record is simply go and create a new track. I have one already, but if you want to add a new one, you can just go to insert and then create a track you want to record. So I'm going to go for audio. And then from here, all you have to do is click on this button, which is called the track record arm. And when you do this here, it's going to enable recording on that track. And whenever you now hit this start recording button, it's actually going to start recording, okay? If it doesn't start recording, it means that there's something wrong, okay? So in my case, the easiest way to troubleshoot would be to go to edit up top and then to go to preferences down here. You have to stop recording first. And inside here, you want to go and either change the audio driver, or it may be that something else is not working. So if I go over here and select, for example, Windows Audio, you'll see that there we go. Now it seems to be working and it's the correct one. So make sure you actually are using the correct audio driver. If you are not, it's not going to work. From here, I'm going to go down, and in here, record mode is enabled. I now can click on this record button up top. And as you can see, it's going to start recording my audio just like this. And of course, if I hit the stop button, I can now listen to it. It's going to start recording my audio. And there we go, it actually worked, okay? So that's how to do this and how to troubleshoot it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.